Alright, the video you've all been waiting for is finally here. Just when we thought we knew everything about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung drops a whole bunch of surprises. So, here's the big news. First of all, the design upgrades. The S25 Ultra is switching things up with 6 key design changes. While the S24 Ultra has flat, sharp edges and rounded sides, the S25 Ultra flips the script. It features slightly rounded corners, like the Fold 6, and flat sides, similar to the Pixel 9 series and iPhones. It still has a titanium frame, but this time it's made from a better grade of titanium. It handles heat better and resists scratches like a champ. The dimensions are also tweaked. The S25 Ultra is taller, narrower, and 0.4 millimeters thinner than the S24 Ultra. These tweaks make it feel lighter and more ergonomic. The camera island layout stays the same, but you'll notice fresh camera rings that add a sleek touch. Samsung is totally leveling up the video game with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. They're introducing a high-resolution video mode that's similar to their high-res photo mode, which means better quality and less noise. This is huge because, honestly, Samsung's current flagship video quality is already pretty solid. This new upgrade could close the gap, or maybe even outdo Apple when it comes to video performance. I'm guessing AI will play a big role here, but we'll have to wait for more details. Here's where things get even crazier. Samsung is finally bringing long video to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This means you can shoot uncompressed video with higher bitrate, more clarity, and a wider dynamic range. And smoother lens switching thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. On top of that, there's this new AI display feature that boosts the brightness by up to 43% compared to the last generation. But that's not all. With the S25 Ultra's new ultra-wide-angle lens, you'll be able to take photos with 4 times the clarity. Plus, there's a new auto eraser feature that removes background sound in your videos. Sounds pretty cool, right? Next, the display enhancements. The S25 Ultra display gets 4 key upgrades. It's slightly bigger at 6.86 inches, compared to 6.79 inches on the S24 Ultra. The bezels, even slimmer. This phone is all about pushing boundaries. It's 400 nits brighter, making outdoor visibility way better. The anti-reflective display is improved with upgraded Gorilla Glass, which not only reduces reflections but also boosts drop and scratch resistance. Next, the software exclusives. While many software updates will eventually roll out to the S24 Ultra, the S25 Ultra gets some cool exclusive features. Seamless updates. Background updates install while you're using your phone. Just restart to finish the process. 1 year of Gemini Advanced, worth $240 for free. But now I want to know, which upgrade are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.